Unleashing potential, the power of continuous learning. Welcome to a journey of growth and transformation. In a world where change is constant, the key to unlocking your full potential lies in the power of continuous learning. Immersing yourself in dynamic learning environments that transcend the traditional classroom. Workshops, seminars, and conferences become your playgrounds for idea exchange and knowledge acquisition. Continuous learning stretches the boundaries of your knowledge, allowing you to explore new horizons. Just like the Earth seen from space, your understanding of the world becomes richer, with diverse subjects at your fingertips. Thanks to the digital age, the learning landscape has expanded beyond limits. Online courses offer you the flexibility to learn at your pace, wherever you are, making education more accessible than ever before. Embracing continuous learning isn't just about accumulating knowledge. It's about transforming challenges into stepping stones. Like a mountaineer conquering peaks, you'll develop resilience and adaptability to conquer obstacles on your path. The power of learning isn't realized until you put your skills into action. Whether it's presenting a project, pitching an idea, or leading a team, your acquired skills empower you to shine. The journey of continuous learning is driven by curiosity that knows no age limits. Just like books that surround you, your thirst for knowledge only grows as you dive deeper into various subjects. You embrace continuous learning. You embark on a journey of personal transformation. The graduation cap becomes a symbol not just of academic accomplishment, but of your commitment to lifelong growth. Unleashing your potential isn't confined to a single moment, it's an ongoing process. Like someone standing on a mountaintop, you'll feel the exhilaration of achievement while gazing at the vast landscape of possibilities. Are you ready to embark on a journey that transforms you, your skills, and your future? Take the first step into the world of continuous learning, where the power to unleash your potential awaits.